rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got a nice little feature today. We got the GPW2000TFB-1A, which is the series of the Tornado from 2017, 35th anniversary. Let's check this puppy out. Here is the box itself. Nice cardboard box with nice silhouette. 35th anniversary on top there, designed by Eric Hayes. He designed the logo, so let's take a look at the box. Not sure if you guys have seen this already, but here is the 35th anniversary special edition box. Pretty cool. It's got the gold plate on top of there. Looks like that. Brushed metal design looking. I'm sure it's not metal, but probably plastic with that design. 35th anniversary on the top. Nothing on the sides, but it's a nice, beautiful box. Then you have your manual inside there and your warranty card, so forth. Open up the box, and here I present to you guys the GPW2000TFB, which is part of the Tornado. On the top of the box, you have the 35th anniversary logo once again, and a nice pillow inside of there. Here's the tag, Casio GPW2000TFB-1A with the retail price of $900 USD. Module 5502, and let's take a look at the watch. The watch is absolutely stunning, guys. This one is stunning. Let me show you, try to capture all the details. Let's start from the top. Gold buckle there, gold medal 35th anniversary with the 35 anniversary stars. Nice gold design. Gold accent dial. Gold lettering, mode UTC. Black protection there. Hard to see. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. Matter of fact, let's see if we could take this off for the purpose of this video. Or maybe not. I don't want to fumble too much with it. Oh, there we go. Let's take the clothes off this puppy. So we can, oh, yes. In all its glory. Look at that. Somebody look at that. Protection. There you go. You can see the microfiber inlay underneath the band there, because the bands are microfiber. Carbon fiber triple G resist. Check out the band. Beautiful black band. And the back side of it, you have the red accent. Very nice. Casio Japan there. Here's your 35th engraved back plate designed by the man himself, Eric Hayes. 5502 module GPW2000. There you go. So you guys know, this one itself, because of the hefty price, does give us the sapphire glass. It gives us GPS function. It gives us also Bluetooth technology and world location. So it's a nice little design. Let's go through the molds here. There you go. Nice little rotating dial on the bottom there for your functions. Stopwatch, timer, alarm, and back to your home time. Okay, here's your crown. Nice gold looking crown with the red accent. It's a little difficult to access, but it's cool because it protects the crown from being damaged or scratched. Keep turning it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it, and now you can set your time. Select your city code, Chicago, push it in, and the watch will automatically set itself. This one, once again, is compatible with Bluetooth technology, so you can sync it with your phone and update the phone with your Bluetooth as needed. So there you guys have it. Great black dial there with the gold accents for the hour markers. Nice loom on this watch. There you go. You can see the loom automatically when I turn off the light. Very beautiful loom. There you guys have it. Look, there you guys have it. The GPW2000 TFB, part of the Tornado series. Beautiful, release in 2017. This one was part of one of the 3 high-end series. I'll do a review on the other one shortly. But there you guys have it. Such a beauty. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Chavo, Chicago. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my Superstar, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my Superstar, I'm rocking my G